In this video, we are going to see another amazing function, and that is if you want to get creative with your living room design and you want to redesign, add different objects to it, you can easily do this with Generative Fill AI function. And for this picture, probably you won't be able to identify what is generated by AI. So let me just show you the original picture. Yes, this is not the original picture. Let me just show you the original one. So this one is original, but it looks too blank. It doesn't have any lamp. It doesn't have any painting at the back end. And also this vase doesn't look nice. So I plan to change all of this. And also I wanted to add some cushions so that it can really fill in the space. So as you can see how natural this painting looks, this lamp, all of these cushions, and even the vase on the table. You can generate all of this using a generative fill option. Let's see how. First of all, just click on upload image. Make sure you are in generative fill option. And let me just choose the before picture. Let's say we want to add an abstract painting here. This time, let's make it bigger. The more accurate you draw, the more accurate results you will get. So just try to draw it perfectly. I just used the insert option and just draw it on the wall, and then wrote a prompt that this is an abstract art wall painting. Let's click on generate. And as you can see guys, it has generated some abstract art wall painting. So this one looks nice. You can click on more options and we can choose any one of them. So let's say I want to use this one, or let's even add modern. Let's now see the results. And we have these kind of results now. Let's say I want to use this one. This one looks nice. And after that, let's click on keep and let's add something more. Let's reduce the size of the brush. And I just want to draw a lamp here. So this is the base of the lamp. And this is going like this. And it should have a shade. So this one is a modern standing lamp. This one is the lamp. So let's generate this. So we have a couple of these options, but as you can see, the design is not perfect. So let's click on more. And I think this one looks nice. Click on keep. Let's keep it this way. Let's add some cushions now. And it is long cushions like that. Black modern sofa cushions. Or let's write a texture. Black velvet cushions. And it has added nothing. So these are not black. Again, you need a couple of tries in order to get your results. And I just wrote here black color cushions for sofa. Let's click on generate, and it has generated some results. And we got some results, but it's not very good in designing the cushions. So you can try a couple of times and you will get your results. Let's change the vase here. This one should be a modern vase, not this. So let's select this and let's write that this should be a modern table vase. And we got a couple of results. Similarly, we got some result like this. And let's say we want to keep this. Click on keep. And that's how you can make a couple of tries in order to change all of this. So as you can see that we have added a large painting, a lamp, a vase, and you can even add some appliances, whatever you like to place. It might take a couple of commands or a couple of prompts in order to get your perfect results. But the more you draw properly, the more accurate results you will get. And by the time, let's say it is your field to add objects to an existing room, you will obviously get perfect with your commands, how you want to write the prompts. And it all depends on the drawing and the prompts. So you can get the perfect results in the first time as well. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.